Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. Today's tutorial is going to be a super easy updo that requires absolutely no braiding. It should take you about 5 minutes. So you want to make a middle part down the back of your head. So you've got two separate sections of hair and tie one out the way. And then you're going to take a piece of hair and twist it towards the back of your head. And then you're just going to add more hair and twist that. Add another section of hair and twist that. Add another section of hair and twist that, and so on. When you've added all your hair in, you're going to continue twisting and then twist it round into a bun. And then you're going to use bobby pins to pin this in place. If you've got long hair, you might need to use quite a few to make it secure. And then you're going to do exactly the same thing on the other side of your head. I have a side part, but you can use a middle part if you want to. And that's it. Super quick, easy updo that is perfect for school or work. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like it. Please subscribe.